Okay, I'm retrying, so I joke my Spotify by accident. I don't want to get doxxed. Anyways, blah blah blah. I'm on my Xbox controller, Mike. You probably know. Well, you probably don't know, because I think my one got views. But I'm just gonna try and play the algorithm a little bit, you know. Just let it pan out. But I'm trying to find a more efficient way of running the current Red Dawn thing. I wish Windows 11 had built-in thingy to do that, but it doesn't. So I'm trying to find a more efficient way of doing this while still having. Yeah, see, but like, there's no efficient way of doing it without having this level of customizability with it. Alright? So unless I go like, I don't know, it's too bright. It's a dark room, 2 in the morning. Um, I mean, I could do something like this. Yeah, I mean, I'm a bit tired right now, so I just need to do something productive. I need to do more Python. I'm kind of forgetting most of it. I also need to learn C, France, and then is that indented correctly? We're about to find out. Okay, cool. So anyway, so we got that working, but it doesn't really do much for me, does it? Because he's a string, right? So maybe if I do like defining and then I put this in here instead. Oh no way! Hold on, we just made a breakthrough, made a breakthrough. Okay, so now, wait, might be on something. I know we're not onto something, because this will still be the same level of code as this, right? Oh. Well, this will be the same. This will still be all this, but the actual system for outputting it, which is here, will be much simpler. For example, how would I do it? So, define ing high, as opposed to d3, define fra, return no. Oh no, I'm just trying to get 2 letter words, make it fast. Define on island, which isn't actually a thing in the thing, but it's not important. Actually, it is later in the series, isn't it? Return 2 letter word if, based on a string, so it's fine. Countries equals the square brackets ing fra ire, and then while true imp equals integer input. What country would you like? I'm not gonna do this. Ing equals 0. Fra equals 1. I equals 2. Oh, and then pulled out of it. Print country annotation of it. Imp. See if that runs. No. If. Okay. Now we are onto something here. Okay. Now for safety purposes, I'm gonna. Oh, I'll close it by accident. It'll be in here, won't it? Show more. Oh, we're on something now. We're on something. Okay. So I've already got them all defined here, right? I can just close it and exit it, right? While true, print countries. Now I can just add it in here. I need to be careful. Because if this whole thing breaks, that's a lot of code. Invalid name. And I could put a try or accept thing on it. It's, yeah. Alright, this is cutting it down a little bit. Lovely jubbly. Bang. No, you must be kidding me. Okay, if country is Egypt. I'm going to rewrite this whole block of code, I'm going to be so honest with you. No, I'm not. Actually, yes, I am. I'm going to be honest. This will be way quicker. Or leave the events, because that's its own thing. Get rid of all that. Bang. Okay. Countries equals. And this is where I pull up the other thing. It was this, was it not? Yes. So get off the screen. It's still taking audio, right? Yeah. So, that's the wrong thing. Oh, I got a word headache ever. Bro, stop. Okay. So now, if I had to do this, countries equals. Okay, thanks for that. Let's just do the majors for now, which will be ing. That's only tested for England, actually. Oh my goodness gracious me! I already put it down. Just testing for now. I'm gonna put France down for the sake of having a second one to be safe. And then we'll go for indent. No, I don't need to indent it. It's just while true. Imp equals integer input. What country would you like to know the place of? And then I'll rename it to play. And then for now we can put imp equals integer input. Enter that. This is a less technical way of doing it, isn't it? What country would you like to know the place of? Play integer input. Is equal to play. Hold on. Let's just do it less technically for now. Print UK equals 0. France think it's just a rebuild function I made for that. And then put imp equals integer input. What country would you like to know the details for? I could try your thingy, accept, but yeah, there's my reasoning, and I can't be bothered right now, man. I'm gonna be honest. I'll see if that even works. Okay, so it's output. I'm so confused. Why is it just output nothing? So, this only does it for the one, doesn't it? I'm so confused. What is this? Whose is this? It will be 127,500. Right, France. No, whose is this? England. So input output's England. Who are you, sort? I don't know why I imported it. I didn't download it. It probably came in the MSI thing. I don't know. It's a lot of brain cancer. But I'm using math. 3 in the morning. I don't have to think I'm on Windows 10. 3 in the morning. 4 in the morning, 1 hour. 5, 2 hours. 6, 3 hours. 7, 4 hours. 8, 5 hours. 9, 6 hours. 6 hours sleep. 6 hours sleep. That's enough. Anyways, what's my point? I don't know why she's output England stats. But I do now realise we don't have the stats available. So that's a bit annoying. If I put England, so the old system might have been better. Law or information equals string input law. Nice one. Or information. For the sake of this, I'm gonna put this after, because I read the law after. Nice one there. Great. Information or law. If LOI equals I. Because this did information by default, did it not? National spirits. Yes. If LOI equals I, print int a equals integer, no, string input, what country would you like to know the information for? And then at this point we'll just put UK equals 0, France equals 1. We could put try and accept if I really wanted to, but that's not closed off, that's why I did that. Print this is the indentation, right? Elif LOI equals L in B equals string input. What country would you like to know the law for? At this point we put this and then put UK equals 1 for no, it doesn't, it's 0 for equals 1, and then we go after the close bracket we put this in a space, and then we put print countries imp B, and then we can do an else to kind of validate if I was to put try sets. Print, I'll mess up in sleeps and actually print invalid inputs, and then I'll put the sleeps. What country do you like? Put sleep here. And I'll put sleep here, and I'll do the same. I'll put sleep after, and I'll put sleep. National spirits, I'll do law, traceback, law, name I is not defined. If, oh my head, if LOI equals I, this is a string. Alright. National spirit, Prince England's things, I really don't understand why. All honesty right now, I haven't the slightest clue why it does that. Stats, national spirit stats, why do you do that? Oh. So it does England, and that's so weird. Anyway, I'm gonna see if it works. What country? 1. Trace back countries. This must be integers or slices, not string. Print countries MP. Just make that input then. And the same here. Or I could just make it integer input. Yeah, that needs to be integer input. I might put that as a string. Cool. Glad I figured out. L 1. National spirits. Is that information or national spirits? No, that's law. But I swear I did more for the law. Did I not? Oh, so I need to make a new list for said law, indeed. B countries. Needs to be an underscore L. Brackets. For brackets, and then this needs to input from here, and this needs to, yeah. Trace back, country is not defined. Where does it say trace back, law for CI, line country, name country? So something up here is broken. but I don't need that thing anymore. It's like the appendix, which is useless, my understanding. I can't remember. CO is not needed anymore, nor are you. Unfortunately. Print stats. Yeah, at this point I was using Garrett list for 30 things. That's nice. I'll just do it as I write them. I don't need to do it necessarily now. Print A, print lawful, sleep, return, Garrett lap. Sleep, return, Garrett lats. Cool. No, Garrett lat as well. And Garrett of this. Okay. Law. One. There you go, it's working, but it's a bit dodgy. I might go to sleep now, I'm gonna be honest. Goodbye.